The gentlelady is recognized for 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, for too many years, the southern border has been a gateway for the illegal trafficking of drugs, weapons, money, and people. It is a challenge we in Arizona have to live with every day. On Tuesday, Secretaries Clinton, Gates, and Napolitano led a high-level delegation of defense, law enforcement, and intelligence officials to Mexico City to discuss a new border security plan that builds on the work of the Merida Initiative. This is an important step forward. I call on them to expand current efforts and to develop a new initiative that takes full advantage of the civilian and military resources of both governments to provide a comprehensive solution that addresses the challenges at the border. We must do whatever it takes to take this fight off our streets and straight to the doorsteps of the cartel leaders. I yield back the balance of my time.
For what purpose does the gentleman from Louisiana rise?